bless up.
Ghost Gang family, what is up with y'all boys today? I'm coming back at y'all with another video. And yeah, today man, we talk about some more sneakers today. You dig what I'm saying? But anyways, man, how's y'all weekend going, man? How is y'all week going? I should say, not weekend, my bad. You know what I'm saying? How's y'all week going? I know y'all ready for that All-Star weekend, like I stated in my last video. All-Star weekend gonna be pretty lit, my nigga, especially with these shoe releases coming out, bro. They got some heat is coming out this weekend, bro. Hey, I hope y'all ready, man. I hope y'all got y'all pockets ready. I hope y'all been staying up to date on y'all sneaker releases, because Jordan brand is coming with it. Jordan brand is coming with it, my nigga. And I hope y'all got y'all stuff together, bro. But anyways, bro, make sure y'all smash that like button. Let's aim for 25 likes on this video. You did what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel for the kid, man. Be a part of Ghost Gang. You did what I'm saying? If you want to be part of the gang, just subscribe. Just hit that red button to the bottom right, I believe, right next to the comment section or wherever it's at, man. That big ass red button, man. Click on that red button and hit subscribe, man. We trying to aim for this 10K, man. Let's get it, gang. But anyways, man, shout out to the gang that's with me right now, man. That's already people that's already part of the gang, bro. But anyways, bro, I just want to come in and talk about these 3 pairs of sneakers that's releasing, man. Y'all seen the undefeateds they are releasing those Kobe Pro-Tro undefeateds on this weekend. Well, actually tomorrow, Friday. So if you're looking forward to getting those, but those are super limited, and like I said, those only releasing like in New York. So New York and one spot in LA. So those are super limited, and it's gonna be crazy as hell to get. But anyways, though, the shoes I want to talk about, the first shoe I want to talk about is it's another limited. Now this shoe right here is super limited, and I'm like low-key salty that they made it so limited, because it's so fire. But I love the Jordan 17s. But yeah, like I said, man, it's the SOLEFLY times Jordan 17. Well, actually just a Jordan 17 low. And that's releasing tomorrow. And guess how many pairs are being made? Just guess how many pairs they're making of this, man. The 17 low, bro. Guess how many pairs? Only 2,300 pairs are being made worldwide, bro. You talk about limited, and get that super duper looper kalooper limited, my nigga. That's insane, bro. That's crazy, my nigga. But anyways, yeah, man, those are being released, man, in Miami, Florida, bro. All I know where they're being released is the only location that I know of is in Miami, and that's on South Miami, 8099 South Dixie Highway, man. So if you looking to go get it, if you ever heard of SOLEFLY in Miami, dog, if you're in the Miami area, I know they're releasing in Florida in that particular area. So man, y'all can go out there and grab those if y'all want them, bro. That's super limited. I mean, I would try to go get them, bro. But it's like, fuck it, man. It's like, it's no point. I gotta make a 4-hour drive to go try to get them. I'm pretty sure they did a raffle, and I'm pretty sure it's a fixed raffle anyway, man. It's Miami. What you expect, man? All them niggas down there, bro. Them niggas, yeah, I'm pretty sure they know niggas that do that shit, and they rigged the raffle, and they giving it to niggas that they know of. You feel me? That's stupid. But anyways, man, like I said, man, the Jordan 17 times SOLEFLY Reverse Lightning is releasing tomorrow, man, February 16th, Friday, man, at 10 a.m. my G. 10 a.m. man, exclusively in Miami. But and they are going to be releasing for $225. So if you got your money up, man, go grab them boys, you dig. But anyways, man, on to the next shoe, man. That's a super dope shoe. All right, on to the next shoe anyways. But yeah, man, so we got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Gold Toe. Now these been rumored to be releasing forever, man, since the Complex Con. At first they was exclusively, released at Complex Con, but the demand for them was so high. Like everybody was, oh my god, we gotta have these. So I'm assuming Jordan brand, fell into it. It was like, you know what, fuck it, we gonna release these motherfuckers. So they're releasing the OG Gold Toes. this Friday. So you could catch these on the sneaker apps. I don't know. Well, you can catch these on the sneaker app. I don't know if these are going to be actually released in store. I'm not too sure. I didn't look too much into it, but I know for sure they're going to be released on the sneakers app. So just make sure you got your sneakers app. Hopefully you already know this information, and hopefully you already, you know what I'm saying, put your name into the drawing to get selected. Oh, I don't know. Actually, I'm sorry. My bad about that. I'm thinking about Foot Locker app and shit. But yeah, man, these are gonna be releasing on the sneakers app. I'm stupid as hell. On the sneakers app, bro. Just make sure you have your make sure you have the sneakers app downloaded, and they always released at 10 o'clock. They always, on the sneakers app, they always release their shoes at 10 o'clock. So just make sure you up by like 9:30, and making sure you just ready by 9:30, 9:45. You got your phone on the shoe, sitting on the shoe. So when it pop up to be able to purchase, hey, you can just go ahead and click on it and purchase them. You feel me? And make sure you got all your credit card information already in, you know, on your account. So whenever you click the purchase, everything's already, you know what I'm saying, automated, and it goes like straight to the shoe, and you can just quick purchase checkout. You did what I'm saying? So be smart about it, man. If you really want these, I'm pretty sure these are limited too. Maybe I don't know if these are limited though. I think these are going to be a general. But you guys could also check on MajorKixx.com. They'll show you. Sometimes they have like a map of, you know, how big a shoe is. So y'all go check out MajorKixx.com, sneaker news, all that stuff. That's what I use to look at. But anyways, man, the last but not least, man, the most hyped shoe since last year, since the past 2 years, past 3 years, man, is the motherfucking Air Jordan. The Air Jordan Cement 3, black Cement 3, not white cement, but the black cement. Yes, man, these are re-releasing, man. You know how many, man, everybody been waiting on this shoe to release forever, bro. These are releasing on Saturday, my G. These are releasing on Saturday, my guy. So hey, man, you already know for that 220, bro. 220 Saturday, bro. At your local stores, you know, Foot Locker, Champs, all that, Finish Line, man, at your local stores, also on the sneakers app. So make sure you got that sneakers app ready if you don't got transportation to these stores. But anyways, bro, that wraps it up for this video, bro. Just make sure y'all hit that, smash that like button, smash the like button. 25 likes on this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for the kid. You already know what it is, man. It is the one and only MajorKixx gang.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50